If you're tired of constantly buying expensive cartridges or dealing with printer problems, then listen up. In this video, we take a look at an all-in-one printer that scores with huge ink tanks, smart technology, and tons of convenience. Stay until the end. This might be exactly the printer you've been waiting for. Let's get right into it. This printer comes with a pretty clever concept. No traditional cartridges, but refillable ink tanks. That means much lower printing costs for you and less waste. And the best part? It comes with enough ink to print up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black and white pages before you need a refill. That's impressive. But the printer does more than just print cheaply. It supports automatic two-sided printing and even has an automatic feeder for up to 35 pages. Perfect if you frequently scan or copy documents. Just load them in and go. Paper handling is also well thought out. The main tray holds 250 sheets, so you don't have to reload constantly. The output tray holds 100 sheets, although some users mention it's a bit short and paper occasionally falls off. Not a big deal, but worth knowing. Print quality, really solid. Black text looks razor sharp and colors are vibrant, especially for graphics or flyers. The print speed is fine, up to 15 pages per minute in black and 9 pages per minute in color. Not the fastest on the market, but more than enough for home or small office use. When it comes to connectivity, it has everything you need. USB, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, including dual band 2.4 and 5 GHz. The app connection works well for most users, though some report issues with Wi-Fi setup or having to reconnect after a power outage. The display is simple, a small 2-line LCD, not a touchscreen. It's enough to navigate, but don't expect much more. Overall, the device feels sturdy and well designed. Not a high-end office printer, but for home or small work groups, it's a strong choice. And if you print a lot, the low cost per page will really pay off over time. If you want a closer look at the printer, check out the offers linked in the video description. Take a look, it's worth it. So what speaks for and against the printer? Pros: extremely low printing costs thanks to refillable ink tanks. Large ink supply included. Duplex printing and automatic document feeder. Great connectivity with Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB. Impressive print quality, especially for text and color graphics. Cons: color printing is a bit slow. Wi-Fi connection isn't always stable. Setup can be annoying. Output tray is short, paper may fall off during large print jobs. If you're looking for a reliable all-in-one printer with low printing costs, this model might be exactly what you need. Sure, it has a few small weaknesses, but overall you get a lot for your money, and you'll find the best deals in the video description below. Go check them out. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, tell us in the comments what you think about ink tank printers, and don't forget to subscribe.